This is how it should look right here when you're done taking up all the pieces off. I'm gonna show you how to do it over here. Simple, real easy. Real quick. First, you can use this right here. One of these little plastic tools from Harbor Freight. Real cheap. But first, you're gonna take these off right here. Real simple. You could just pry them out with this, and just really just be careful. Cause yeah, you get what I'm trying to do here. But that's what you do right here. I put one screwdriver right there, and then the other one on top. What I'm talking about. So I put one up there, put one down here, and I just pull. That simple. These are the clips. That's what you're doing, and you just put it through, and it just pops out like that. That's pretty much it. Be careful. There you go, like this. These are just big clips, so what I use, are these right here. So it's the same exact thing. Here. Hopefully you can see. I'm just gonna use these right here. Just give it a little pull. There we go. And usually what happens is the other one would just pop out too. But just be careful. If it doesn't, there should be a wire that comes out with it. And I use this right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a little flat head. And you just take it out. And then you could just put this right here and like put it in there and just like dig it up. There you go. Let me sit your hands up so you can see me. So it's kind of like this. You just pull it out right here. It should come out easily. This, you're gonna do it again right here. You just be real careful. There it goes. Just like that. Right here. Alright, so now what you're looking at is a T25 right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It says T25. I'm just gonna. Yep, that's all you're gonna do. All right, so now you're gonna carefully put those somewhere safe. And now you deal with clips. Don't be afraid to just give it a good pull. So it'll come out like this. Just, you're gonna hear a couple of loud snaps, so but don't worry. It's not that easy to pull out, but yeah. Let me set you guys up. Alright. So this is what I'm talking about. You're going to hear loud snaps. The clips are really good. You just want to wiggle it until it pops. There it goes. So what I like to do is come on the outside and just pull the pillar up. I'll show you what I mean right now. This is what I meant by pulling up, is because these little hooks, and you just pull them up. But I'm gonna show you now. So all we got left is this right here. All this right here. So let me set you guys up and. So I couldn't find a way to set it up so you guys could watch me take it off, but it basically meets and basically connects with this one. So it just goes like that. And it goes like that. So you use this obviously. So you just be careful, like I said. Again, you don't want nothing breaking. But that's what you guys do. I'm gonna show you how to move it now. Move the center light. Alright, so with this, there's some screws right there. This obviously goes like this. Just be careful. I just used the little tool that I've been using. I just kind of like poked at it. And yeah, it just came out. But I don't think this is. But yeah, I'm about to come back and tell you which ones these screws are. Alright, this is a T10. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see. T10 right there. just screw it. Same thing. Let me go this way. So now I'm pretty sure I'm gonna just have to pry this out, and I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. I know I left off right there on the main light, but I was gonna show you guys right here. I couldn't find no videos where it told me it had clips right here, and this is all around the sunroof, all around, and it's hard not to crease the headliner or break the clips, but you just have to be very, very careful. Get like a long screwdriver and like just mess with it, turn it around, and like kind of like pull it on the inside when it's clipped up. But it's going to come out for sure. I finally got it. It took me a little minute, but I'm gonna show you how to, well, it's just like all the other things what I was showing you guys with the little screwdriver, little flathead screwdriver I had. But I'm going to show you now where I'm gonna leave off at. I'm gonna show you how to clean all this up so I can put the stars in, and yeah. All right, so this is what it should look like when you take all the pieces off on top of the headliner. Just clean, and what I like to do is just get a marker and just divide it in sections so I could know how much I'm doing, even it out, and know where I'm putting it at. So that's all really in. So next, you're gonna wanna do this right here with zip ties. Just like divide them, just so it can be clean, so you know what fiber you're grabbing, and just do all this, so then it'll be way easier and it'll come out way cleaner. But I'm gonna show you guys. Your fiber right here. There you go. Just like that. And then you just keep on going. Alright, so there's a fuse box right here. And you can see right here, that's the fuse I installed right here. And it goes under and all to some ground right here. I would show you, but it was a lot. So, but all you have to do is remove this clip, and there's a clip right here, and it'll get super loose where you could put your arm in, and then you can just go put it in, boom, with the fuse. One of these, I think I have it, one of these right here, and then obviously the power, the red and black, all that simple stuff. But I use the 20 right here for it, and I just put a 10, and boom, they turned on. So I'm about to install it and show you guys the results. And yeah, it was super simple. And yeah, how I did the wiring, how it's hidden, no other. I hit it through here. It's like I put it up here obviously, but I ran it through here behind this when you put the seat down. And like I said again, the clips and the screw, and you just run through, put it behind obviously the seat belt, and just run it through right here, and boom, you're good. And that'll be it really, and I'm gonna show you guys the results in a little bit. Alright, come check it out, bro. Come check it out, my boy.
I can see that shit from the front.
Eesh.
Let me see that.
Hopefully you fuck with it.
Okay. Damn, that shit came out clean, my boy.
Good looking, bro.
Sheesh. Okay, I got my fucking Rolls Royce now, huh?
Hell yeah, I told you I got you, my boy.
You got that, my boy. Appreciate that.
Good looking, bro. Good looking, man.